is why you called me here.
Let me get you a chair, Mr. Shadow.
I prefer to stand.
Where were we? I'll just start at the beginning. And so, with my superior leadership and your blind loyalty, we'll finally be rid of those meddling muskrats. Team-building exercises. Oh, my fault. Should have given you a heads up. That was on me. You never know what's going to happen on the battlefield, which is why it's important to think on your feet. Zap!
Silence, fool. I've suffered your presence long enough.
We were gonna roast wieners and play flashlight tag. We're making history here. A collection of villains like this has never been assembled before.
I see no villains. Just some fools whose only ability is wasting time. No, not really. Pathetic. Even with all this help, you still couldn't defeat Sonic.
Oh my...
Out of the way, you buffoon. Your shoddy craftsmanship brings shame on all hedgehog kind, and for that you shall perish.
We did it! Sonic was defeated by Team Eggman! Victory selfie!
You fool! I had him just where I wanted him. Enough! How's a guy supposed to destroy his foes with dolts like you wandering around? We'll fight again soon, Sonic, but next time on my terms.
Shadow, I have a proposition for you.
Find some other pawn, Eggman. I'll never work with you again. Now get out of my sight.
Oh, Shadow!
You again?
Just wanted to let you know I ran into our old pal Sonic today, and he did not have the nicest things to say about you.
This aggression shall not stand. Sonic and his friends shall pay. Time to take out the trash.
Already on it. Then you'll go beat up Team Sonic, right?
Correction. Pummeled into a wall. Fox hunting.
That was almost too easy.
Well, it ain't over yet.